The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. In the Donetsk direction, the EU group of forces, aviation and artillery have eliminated up to 190 Ukrainian troops, 3 tanks, 2 armored fighting vehicles, 14 motor vehicles, and Mstabi howitzers over the past 24 hours. In the South Donetsk and Zaporozhye directions, operational, tactical and army aviation and artillery of the Vostok group of forces carried out a complex shelling of the Ukrainian armed forces units in the areas of Uglidar of Donetsk People's Republic, Poltavka, Gulaipole and Sharbaki in Zaporozhye region. As many as 60 Ukrainian servicemen, 2 pickup trucks and D-20 and D-30 howitzers were neutralized in these areas during the day. Total 400 airplanes, 220 helicopters, 3,401 unmanned aerial vehicles, 412 air defense missile systems, 8,280 tanks and other armored fighting vehicles, 1,055 combat vehicles equipped with MLRS, 4,333 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 8,904 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.